बेबी को बस पसंद है, बेबी को बस पसंद है. Alright, I changed up the lyrics a little bit here and there. And I'm also wearing a tire on my ear today in celebration of buses. Now let's not get this tire punctured, alright? I'm back to another episode of Anisha Talks, and today I want to talk about all the unique people everybody finds in Indian buses. And Ricksters, let's try and get this video to 2000 likes. I know we can make it happen. Just click the like button right now. That would make me so happy. But before I get into this video, I need to explain to all the non-Indians watching this video that buses in India do not move like anywhere else in the world, meaning they do not move peacefully at all. There are hundreds of bumps on the roads and random people trying their luck in crossing the street in peak hours, and there will be constant start, stop, start, stop, start, stop, that I wonder sometimes how do buses even reach their destination? And you will find quite a range of people in those buses. So let's get into types of people in Indian buses. Bap, bap. Bap, bap. Bap, bap. Okay, that's enough. This was supposed to be a horn. Nope, didn't sound like it. Number 1, the napsters. There are normal people and then there are the napsters who just have some God-given gifts, which means when they fall asleep in a bus, nothing can wake them. And even more talented are the ones who can stand and sleep and can go to the deepest sleep ever. How do you do this? I can't even sleep horizontally on my bed. What secrets do you hold, Napster?
Teach me.
Please teach me. Number 2, the stuntman. So these are the people who Bollywood missed out, clearly, because these guys got some real moves. So these are the ones who never show up on time for the bus, but are so optimistic that they will chase the bus and run so fast behind the bus and will even jump onto the bus so professionally that they can even put Tom Cruise to shame. Tom Cruise, your mission is, if you choose to accept it, to catch the BST bus number 321 at 9 a.m. in the morning. This message will destruct itself in 3, 2, 1. You expected an explosion, right? Well, there wasn't any budget for that. Number 3, the super rich. Now, I don't know where these people come from. When the conductor gives them a 10 rupee ka ticket, these people have the audacity to give a 1000 rupee ka note. Hai daya. And then the poor conductor looks at them as if his mother died. Hey, change de nahitar khali uttar. Chal! Number 4, the shameless ones. You know how traveling in buses is very stressful, especially in peak hours. So there are special reserved seats for elderly people in a bus, and these people, these so-called shameless people, will sit on those seats regardless of the fact that they are reserved. And when an elderly person shows up in the bus, these shameless people don't give the seat. ये चिल्लू भर पानी है, डूब मरो इसमें. Number 5, the El Chapos. There are also reserved seats for women, but the unlucky ones end up standing, and that is when the El Chapos come into their full form. These so-called El Chapos will come up with all the bahanas in the world just to make physical contact with the girl standing right next to them. Oh, sorry. Brake lag gaya. And what did I tell you about buses? They start, stop, start, stop, start, stop the entire time, which means you get touched about 1,000 times. This is the only reaction I have left for you, El Chapo. Number 6, the Pelus. Ha ha ha! Did I tell you there's not enough space in the bus? And these people think they bought the bus. They will not only grab one seat but will also spread on the adjacent seat. And some clever ones will put their thalis and thalas on the seat thinking it is a human being. Have you all met my new friend? He's half thali and half human. I call him Thalaiva.
Good joke.
Number 7. The loudspeakers. It is already so noisy in the bus, and on top of that you have these chopper people who talk so loudly on their phone or to the person sitting right next to them. And by the end of the journey, everybody in the bus knows कि उस चाचा के भतीजे के भाई के दोस्त के नाना के कुत्ते का नाम जॉनी है और जॉनी रीटा के साथ परसों रात को भाग गया. Now don't ask me who Rita is. Number 8. The smelly people. Normally people take baths every day, but these people are very special. They do not take baths every day, and they also don't know the meaning of deodorant, washing machine or even soap. And their most favorite food is onion and garlic. And little do they know, because a garlic a day keeps everyone away. Hi Daya! They don't know that they smell like a fish market, and wherever they go, the smell follows. This video was sponsored by Vodafone, which is, by the way, horrible network. Number 9. The phone junkies. No matter what happens in or outside of the bus, and no matter how much start-stop happens, or even if aliens take over the city, these type of people will be glued to their phones and will only watch pirated movies. Now why don't you watch rickshaw wali videos instead? They are for free. Shame, puppy shame. Now whoever's watching this video and is not subscribed to my channel, नीचे एक लाल बटन है, उसे दबाओ, फ्री का सब्सक्रिप्शन लो और pirated movies देखना बंद करो. You are welcome. Number 10. The Game of Thrones people. There are all these other people which I have just mentioned, and then there are these. And we all know it's difficult to get a seat in the bus, but these guys take it to the next level. For them, the only thing that matters is getting a seat to sit on the iron throne. They will kick, punch, stab and throw a grenade if needed just to get a seat. And the extreme ones will even climb through the bus window just to get the hot seat. But then there are those people who from outside of the bus will throw a rumal through the window just to reserve their seat. Now where are my dragons? So this was it, Rickstas. These were types of people in Indian buses. And in case I missed out any other type, please let me know in the comment section below. Sending you all a big love punch your way. Bye-bye. Stop watching pirated movies and subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because I make videos every Tuesdays and Fridays and you don't want to miss out. और अगर तुम सब करोगे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Damn, I'm proud of myself. Here is a love story of Johnny and Rita. I know you guys wanted to know this story. Johnny the dog was raised in Kolaba and Rita was from the slums of Dharavi. So one day when Johnny was in the car and he put his face out of the window along with his wet tongue, his eyes fell on Rita. And that is when Johnny jumped out of the car and ran towards Rita, and the first thing he did was smell Rita's butt. And that is when Johnny realized that Rita was actually a boy. Hi Daya!